What's up VGod fans, Zachary here back with another tutorial, and today I will show you guys how to ghost. If you don't follow VGod or myself on Instagram, you can find those accounts right here. In this tutorial I'll be rocking the ProMech 2, Elite RDTA, and our newest juice, Berry Bomb. Before we get started, make sure you're in a room with no air conditioning because it is really difficult to practice this trick with airflow and you won't be able to get those milky ghosts consistently. Once you've done that, get your mod you know and love and let's get to it. The first step to the ghost is taking a proper mouth inhale, not a lung inhale. If you don't know the difference, here's a quick example. Best way for me to explain the mouth inhale is before hitting your vape, you want to have no air in your mouth and have the tip of your tongue towards the bottom row of your teeth. After that, hit your mod while expanding your mouth and gradually pulling back your tongue to let the vape gather and ball up as thick as possible. Next, you want to make an O face like this. The size all depends on how big you want your ghost. But the bigger your mouth is, the harder the ghosts are to achieve. So start out small or medium. The next step is to flick out the vape with your tongue. Have the tip of your tongue towards the bottom row of your teeth and flick out with the back of your tongue. It should look something like this. Once you flick it out, inhale immediately. You want to practice flicking out the vape and getting the shape down with your mouth. Then add the inhale. Here's a few clips to give you a better idea. Okay y'all, I hope this tutorial helps. Let me know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified on vlogs, tutorials, and games of vape. Once again, I'm Zachary signing out.